Hello friends, welcome to my channel Embedded Duniya. Today we will see how to draw electronic schematics. This presentation provides a step-by-step guide to drawing electronic schematics covering essential tools, component selection, connection techniques, labeling and finalization. First step is choosing the right software tool. These are some popular tools. KiCad, free, open source and widely used for PCB design. Eagle, paid powerful software with a large component library. FreeZing, user-friendly, great for beginners and hobbyists. LT-Spice, it is excellent tool for circuit simulation. Second step is identifying and selecting components. Resistors, choose based on resistance and power rating. Capacitors, select based on capacitance, voltage rating and type. For example, ceramic electrolytic capacitors. Inductors, choose based on inductance and current rating. Diodes, select based on type, that is rectifier, zener and voltage current rating. Third step is connecting components correctly. Place and connect the power supply and ground connections first. Connect components according to your circuit design. Use name nets, reduce clutter and buses for multiple connections. Diode, transistor and polarized capacitor must be oriented correctly. Fourth step is labeling components and connections. Reference designators. Assign unique designators, for example R1, C1, U1 to each components. Value and part numbers. Label resistors, for example 10K. Capacitors, for example 1 microfarad. And ICs with part numbers like 555 timer. Signal names. Name signals and nets to clarify their purpose. For example, VCC, ground, clock. Fifth step is running electrical rule check, ERC. Use ERC tool. Most schematic software includes an ERC tool. Check for errors. The ERC tool will identify common errors such as unconnected pins, short circuits and incorrect connections. Fix issues. Address any errors or warnings flagged by the ERC. Sixth step is annotating and finalizing the schematic. Add annotations. Include notes and labels for clarity such as voltage labels, signal descriptions and special instructions. Review for completeness. Ensure all components, connections and labels are included. Run final ERC. Perform a final ERC check to ensure no errors. Seventh step is saving and exporting. Save the schematic, export, share, document and print. Here are few tips for clear and effective schematic. Use a grid, group related components, minimize crossings, include a title block. Key takeaways of this presentation are: choose the right tool, select components carefully, connect components correctly, label and annotate. I hope this presentation adds value to your knowledge. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.